I couldn't think of a funny way of starting this video, so here's a picture of a beautifully cooked turkey for you. Hey guys, what's up? My name is John Strahl and welcome to the number one channel on YouTube. And before we get started, we need to clear a few things up. What is a YouTube channel? It is a place where I post videos of myself doing stuff on my computer. And it is also a place where you guys watch me doing stuff on my computer, you like, you subscribe, and you comment something nice, which you are clearly not doing. Hit subscribe. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get signed to STMPD space RCRDS. You can call it Stamped Records, you can call it Stumped Records, you can call it Stampede Records. Nobody knows what. I am also trying to make a music review series, so if you have songs that you're currently working on or the ones which you have completed and released, send them over to me and I'll give you some feedback. Just for now, send us your link through SoundCloud, link in description, and we'll come up with a better way of submitting tracks in the future. Coming back to the video, I am going to show you how to make a track like my best friend Sergio Van Den Heuvel, I don't know how it's pronounced, better known as Seth Hills. Why? I recently made a video called How to Julian Jordan, and after I posted that on YouTube, he is the number one electro house artist on Beatport, which is a little bit unfair to Seth Hills, so we're gonna do him in this video. Also, I just woke up from a nap, which explains why I'm acting all weird and why my hair is so beautiful. So just try to ignore it. And I am going to use Seth Hills' Pressure as my reference track. To get started, you need to open FL Studio 20.7.0.1, cracked teamr2r.exe, and jump on in. First thing to do is to set your BPM to 128 because that is the magic number in house music. Come on, big room is 128. The next thing is to search for a good kick. Add a clap. Add some hi-hats for rhythm. Add some top loops. The next thing to do is to add a bass line, so drop in a pattern, open piano roll, and draw some random notes. Remove some low end, clean up some frequencies, add an overdrive and a kickstart for sidechaining. Add a sub bass. Add a kick on top of the bass line to get the signature Seth Hills effect. The next thing to do is to add a melody for the drop. So open piano roll and draw in some notes. Boost some low end, add some distortion, add an overdrive, remove some low end, remove more low end, add a kickstart for sidechaining. Stack the layers. Add reverb and filter automations to the leads. Since my computer clearly can't handle so many serums together, I'm just going to consolidate this into an audio clip. Add synth shots. Add a respace for the short film. Add this pitch riser thingy. Add 1,000,000 one shots. Also, I am too lazy to make a build up for this track right now, so I'm just going to drag a sample and paste it. And that is how a Seth Hills track is made. Let's give a listen to what we have come up with. Also, did I mention that you can download this FLP for free from the link in the description? You're welcome. Again, if you think this video was enjoyable and informative, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below, because that's the only way of supporting me, and it also encourages me to make more videos of me embarrassing myself. And turn on notifications while you are at it, because you don't want to miss out on my videos, bro. Also, comment down which artist I should rip off next, and I'll do it for you. Also, send me your music through SoundCloud for the music review video, which is coming next week. Link in description. And as always, I'm sorry to inform you that this is where we are departing. Until next video, goodbye.